Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide system settings from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide system settings from control panel on Windows 11 computer, click on search. In search type control panel, click on control panel. In control panel, you will find system options. You can configure your system from this system option. Now I'm going to show you how to hide this system option from control panel. Close control panel. Insert type gpedit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative template and click on control panel. Here you will find an option hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Right click on it and click on edit. Now select enable list of all disallowed control panel items, and you will find a show button here. Click on show button. Under value type Microsoft M capital dot system S capital Microsoft dot systems. Click on OK. Now click on apply and then click OK. The setting is enabled. Close group policy editor. Then you need to update the group policy. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run, type gp update / force to update group policy immediately. Click on OK. Policy is updating. Now you need to sign out your computer and sign in again. Click on start menu. Click on your user icon and click on sign out. After signing in again, you need to check, go to search and in search type control panel. Click on control panel. Look in control panel, system option is not showing here and it's hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.